In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Dummies, a simple step-by-step guide. First, set up your space so the answers you get are clean and to the point. Open chatgpt.com or the official app and sign in. On desktop, look to the bottom left, click your profile picture, then settings. Open personalization and manage memories and clear out old random details from past chats. This resets the context so your replies aren't biased by previous conversations. While you're there, set your global tone to direct or professional. That simple switch cuts out filler and gets you concise, purposeful responses. Next, choose the right model at the top of the chat. Use the instant tier for fast, everyday tasks like quick definitions, email rewrites, spelling fixes, and big brainstorming lists. When accuracy and reasoning matter more than speed, switch to the thinking tier. It pauses to work through logic, which is better for tough math, debugging code, or analyzing complex documents. Now craft better prompts with a clear four-part formula and use Shift plus Enter to write it neatly across a few lines. Start with the role, such as act as a certified personal fitness coach. Add the context, like I'm an absolute beginner who wants 20-minute at-home sessions with no equipment. Define the task. Create a simple day-by-day weekly workout schedule. Finish with a constraint. Format it in a clean table, avoid complicated gym jargon, and keep instructions simple. This structure removes guesswork and prevents those generic walls of text. For longer projects, move into a side-by-side workspace with Canvas. Type/Canvas followed by what you want. For example, Canvas, write a simple 500-word beginner's guide to maintaining a motorcycle. Press Enter to split your screen. Your chat stays on the left and a clean, editable document opens on the right. Inside Canvas, you can make precise edits without long messages. Highlight a sentence or paragraph, click the comment bubble that appears, and type a direct instruction like make this sentence friendlier or break this point into 3 bullet points. Only the selected text changes and the rest of your document stays intact. Finally, verify and export. Before asking about current news or prices, click the globe icon below the chat box to enable a live web search. When results appear, open sources at the bottom to review the cited links yourself. Once everything checks out, use the export or download button in the Canvas header to save your work as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.